Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Flex app, FlexTires, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. FlexTires, is a mobile app designed for car owners to easily buy, sell, and manage tires. The app allows users to search for tires by vehicle type, size, or brand, compare prices, read customer reviews, and schedule installation appointments at nearby service centers. It also provides real-time inventory updates, promotions, and secure checkout options. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app's intuitive interface, fast search functionality, and convenient service scheduling. Many find it helpful for comparing multiple tire brands and making informed decisions on pricing and quality. Notifications for promotions and availability updates are another plus for active buyers. Still, the app has some downsides. Certain features require account registration, and some premium options may involve additional in-app purchases. A few users report occasional syncing issues or delays in inventory updates. The app's usefulness can also vary depending on tire availability in local service centers. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Flex app, FlexTires, may be worth using if you're a car owner looking for a simple and convenient way to manage tire shopping and service appointments. It shines in ease of use, search functionality, and service coordination. However, if you prefer offline shopping or have limited local tire options, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.